Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to apply Gazette Online for name change in Maharashtra. First, ensure you meet the eligibility criteria, which includes being an Indian citizen and a Maharashtra resident. Next, you'll need to collect all your necessary documents, such as your Aadhaar card and proof of address. The entire application for the Gazette notification is submitted online through the designated government portal. For your online name change application, a crucial step is preparing a notarized affidavit. This document formally declares your intent to change your name and the reason behind it. You'll also need to provide at least one government-issued photo identification, like your Aadhaar card or driving license. Additionally, proof of your Maharashtra residency, such as a recent utility bill, is essential for the application. To submit your application, visit the official Maharashtra e-Gazette portal and either create a new account or login. Carefully fill out the online application form, ensuring all details are accurate. You will then need to upload clear scanned copies of all your supporting documents. Finally, proceed to pay the required fees online. For instance, the open category application fee is approximately 522 rupees and 47 paise. Once your application is verified and approved, your name change will be officially published in the Maharashtra Government Gazette. This publication serves as your legal proof of name change. The entire process, from submitting your application to seeing your name in the Gazette, generally takes about 4 to 8 weeks. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals. After publication, you must update your new name on all other official documents, like your Aadhaar and PAN card.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.